Hello there, welcome to Vietnamese channel. Today we're going to talk about the P consonant. So are ready? Let's get started. The P sound occurs at the beginning of the word only in two words. They are Sapa and Bác Bó, except that the P sound always occurs at the end of the word, like in the word đẹp. Now let's see how to pronounce the P sound. To pronounce the P sound, you have to press your lips together to stop the airflow, then push them apart to release it, and your tongue will typically be positioned for the vowel that is before the P sound. The last thing you have to remember about the P sound that it is a voiceless consonant, so you don't have to vibrate your vocal cords, like Sapa, Bác Bó, đẹp. Now let's try to say some words with the P sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you will have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. The first word is up, 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 ép, đẹp, thép, lớp, cặp, nháp, họp, hộp, khớp, kịp, thiệp, nhịp, cướp, ọp ẹp, họp lớp, khép nép, đập hộp. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the P sound. We're going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say a sentence very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I want to say the sentence with normal speed. Lớp, hợp, họp, ở, Sapa. Now a little bit faster. Lớp, hợp, họp, ở, Sapa. Now with normal speed. Lớp hợp, họp ở Sapa. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.